Finally some sunshine. You can see the palm trees in the background. I love Florida. It's my favorite place. Except there's no rest for the wicked. We're not here on holidays. We're having way more fun installing robots. Saving another shop from palm sanding. Let's go. Here we go. We're looking for Cosmo. Lots of stuff to sand. That's exciting. There she is. All right, day 2. How do you think it's going so far?
Well, I think it's going great. It's up and running. It's sanding a lot of doors, so it's very powerful.
Here's the guy who set it up.
Setup was fast. Setup was easy and a lot of fun.
Now, how's the sanding going now?
It's going.
It's going.
Hasn't stopped.
Sanding more than yesterday or less than yesterday?
More than yesterday.
That's all right. Stealing the show on you, that guy.
That's all right, dude. This is a superstar.
Right. So day 2, you just started running this machine like, what? How long ago?
About a good 30 minutes ago.
30 minutes ago? What do you think so far?
I'm impressed. Very impressed. I wish I had one at the house.
Well, it's day 3 here, and it looks like I'm officially part of the team. I got the whole uniform going on, and for once, this is so exciting. Someone finally listened and said, when we install this robot, we literally are gonna need hundreds of doors because you're not gonna believe how fast you're sanding. And finally, we have racks of doors. We're gonna be grooving today. Let's go. Well, we're about to get put to the test. Operator number 1.
Alex.
Alex? This is Alex. Do you know how much English Alex speaks? None. Do you know how much Spanish I speak? None. So this is going to be fun. This was one of our first installs where the customer had the Guffey system. So we got to integrate Cosmo with the Guffey system. This is my favorite part. It's happening again. Nobody realizes how fast we're sanding until the racks start stacking up everywhere. We've already sanded like 40 doors this morning and we've been here for an hour. It just cranking them out. The finisher is like, what is going on up in here? You have to see this. This guy has had 10 minutes worth of training and he's absolutely crushing it. We're sanding by hand here. Robot with this primer is going super fast. He totally gets it. These guys are running the Guffey system, so we go from there. And look at this, he's putting on hardware and the door's getting sanded. This is the magic, everyone. Connected processes. We've connected the sanding, hand sanding, the robot sanding, the inspection, and the hanging, all while the robot's still working. No batch processing, single piece flow. One. If we even increase this batch to 2, the system would fall apart. Here is critical component number 2. When you buy any piece of equipment, it doesn't matter what it is, if you don't change the system and you don't change the rules that you're manufacturing by, you're not going to see the benefit. You'll see a little bit of an increase, assuming that you solve the right problem. But if you don't change the system, the big improvement you're not going to see. So we work with everybody and make sure that they understand single piece flow and that we develop a system that works for their factory. We're not just dropping off a robot and saying, now you're sanding faster. We're looking at the whole value stream and we're saying, now you're manufacturing faster. Magic. And now we went to the next level and we're running the Kaizenify timer, averaging 1:54 a door. Finished. everything that can go through the robot cell is coming down here, around there, and back into the guppy system. And then the stuff that's not comes down here. All the oversized stuff is getting processed over here. Beautiful. One thin coat of primer, no sand throughs. We do not sand through anywhere. We thought we'd just show you a door getting processed right from start to finish. So there the robot's measuring the stiles and rails, does the math, and starts sanding right away. We go at the stiles and rails first, and then he flips over and starts doing the center panel sanding. We wanted to show the whole operation just so you can see exactly what's happening. Once the robot's done with the front side, he's going to move away, the operator's going to come over, and he's going to flip the door and hit start and sand the backside. Right there you're seeing the automatic blow off. We blow off the sanders on an interval to keep the paper clean. Here we go. We just flip the door, hit the vacuum, push start, and Cosmo's off and running again. And it's the exact same process on the backside. We measure the stile and rail and we start sanding. The video, just in case you're wondering, is sped up at 2 times the speed. But as you saw on the timer, we're sanding doors there in about 2 minutes a door. Remember this giant cart of doors? It's not even lunchtime yet. Coming out. I wish I was quicker on the camera because 5 minutes ago, this screen was red. And this is the most underutilized tool on the entire internet. Everybody, you need to be running the production timer. I can't say it enough because the operator had a visual that the time wasn't good. I had a visual right away. I came over, he's like, no, we're okay. And now, 10 doors later, he's back in the green. And we all know it. So from a distance, look, I'm way over here. I'm like, he's doing good. I don't need to talk to him. I don't need to bug him. I don't need to ask how his day's going. I just look, I see the green, I head to the next area. Everybody, please, please, please run these production timers. We will help you.
Yep. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now. I really am blown away. I thought we'd need a bigger building to paint this much.
There we go, day 3, and we're starting to set up for some oak doors. Love it, it's happening. The power of connecting processes. Let me flip the camera around. This is absolute magic. We've got one door in staging, the robot's sanding one door, and then we've processed it through the corner breaking inspection, and now we're staining it. We're gonna stain it, hang it, and then it's gonna go right into the spray booth. One door at a time, boom, boom, boom. 3 connected processes, all while the sanding's happening. You cannot beat this system. I cannot get enough of how great this is. Robot sanding. We're doing the handwork here. And then he's going to bring it over here, stain it, hang it, and done. So the boss wanted to see single piece flow in action. So then we go from here to staining, and we're hanging them. And I said, well, let's not hang them. Let's bring them right into the booth. And we're gonna spray them. So now he's setting up the gun, and we're gonna go 1 for 1 all the way through the finishing process. Look at the magic. We've got the robot sanding, We've got the hand sanding. We're staining one for one. And we got rid of the rack. We're carrying them over and he's spraying them. So this is why this works so well. This door now is drying. As a matter of fact, it's dry. I can already touch it. And so when you're batch processing, this door would pay the price of the last door in the pile. But when we're single piece flowing through here over to here, by the time we're done staining the last door, we're going through here, the first door will be dry. And we can cycle that first door back through the robot and back into top coat. Magic. I'm like running around the cat. I hope that makes sense to everybody, but if not, the big takeaway here is to understand that we're gonna work with you to develop a system that works for your process. So it might be this system, it might not, but we'll figure it out for you. I hope I'm explaining this right, but watch this. This is the last door being sanded. And now instead of that whole batch moving in to getting sprayed, we've been spraying them one at a time. So that first door now, this one is totally dry, ready to sand. So we're gonna cycle that back around and we're gonna sand it, and he'll be top coating the first door before we're even done staining the last door. This is Alex, and he's gonna tell us in Espanol, machine good?
Buena.
Tell me in Spanish.
Muy buena. Muy buena. Excelente.
Can you read it?
We reprinted all our HMI screens in Spanish for Alex.
Spanish.
Alex.
Thank you.